Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve a very interesting problem that is comes in AGCS ADMAT 0606 paper 11 question for November 2014. So look, here the question says 5 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 2 into 5 to the power x. So here 5 to the power 2x plus 1, instead of this we can write 5 to the power twice x into 5 to the power 1 minus, instead of 5 to the power x plus 1 we can write 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1 plus 2 equal to 2 into 5 to the power x. Now, 5 to the power 2x can be written as 5 to the power x whole square minus 5 into 5 to the power x plus 2 minus 2 into 5 to the power x equal to 0. So here we can write 5 multiplied by 5 to the power x whole square minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 into 5 to the power x plus 2 equal to 0. So let 5 to the power x equal to y. Then what will happen? Then we can write, instead of this line, it will be 5y squared minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Now, using middle term method, we can easily find out the factorization of this one. So 5y squared minus 5y minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. So take 5y as a common factor, then it will be y minus 1 minus 2 is our common factor, it will be y minus 1 equal to 0. So instead of this line, we can write y minus 1 into 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Then we can write y minus 1 equal to 0 or 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can write y equal to 1 or 5 to the power x equal to 1. Here we can write 5y equal to 2. So y will be 2 by 5. Instead of y, you can write 5 to the power x equal to 2 by 5. Now, using the definition of logarithm, we can write, instead of this one, x equal to 5 base log 1. And instead of this one, we can write x will be 5 base log 2 by 5. Here, 5 base log 1 will be 0. And 5 base log 2 by 5 will be minus 0.569 by using the calculator. And this is the solution of this equation. I hope you understand this one properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi Amin.